Like every place, King County has its share of challenges. Fortunately, the leaders on the King County Council are hot on the trail of the newest local public health crisis. No, it's not homelessness. It's not heroin either. It's pregnancy centers. The organizations that provide practical and emotional support for women with an unexpected pregnancy for free. According to a staff report prepared by the council, these centers say things about abortion that the abortion industry disagrees with. So the county wants to provide the public with a warning. The regulation would require these centers to provide a notice that says, "This facility is not a healthcare facility." But there's more. The disclaimer would have to be posted in at least 2 places, in at least 48-point font, and translated into 10 different languages. Remember, ladies, they think you're smart. They just don't think you know the difference between a hospital and a counseling center. Not only would this disclaimer be required to be posted in 2 separate places in the office, but also in any print and digital advertising material, including internet websites. Of course, that just makes it impossible to do online advertising. A disclaimer in 10 different languages doesn't display all that well in a meme. And the additional costs involved in including 10 different translations for a disclaimer in a print ad could make anything less than a half-page ad illegal. Beyond that, however, there is simply no precedent for requiring an organization or business to advertise what they are not. A pregnancy center is also not an alcohol recovery center or a Jiffy Lube, but King County isn't requiring a giant notice to say so. It seems fairly obvious that the real reason for these rules is to place an official stamp of government disapproval on volunteers who want to help women choose life for their babies. In the past, governments have used a yellow star to signify their disapproval, but King County prefers a public notice in 48-point font. But there's something else that smells about all this too. King County is teaming up with a billion-dollar abortion industry that receives more than $500 million a year from taxpayers to target nonprofit organizations staffed by volunteers that receive no money from taxpayers. Remember that the next time they tell you how much they like to stand up for the little guy. For the Family Policy Institute of Washington, I'm Joseph Backholm.